time being in this car, so she's a bit scared.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel and to the video. Today we're just walking Frodo outside in this big huge field, and as you can see with my situation right now, he's unsettled, full of energy. He's a farm dog after all. So what we're trying to do today is to let him go, play with him in this huge field, and hopefully, fingers crossed, he's not going outside this field. So we're trying to get into the center. So yeah, wish us luck.
Be ready to let him go, okay?
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh god, I'm so scared.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay.
Go. We were so scared at first, but I don't think that's the case now. It's free! He's so free! Oh my lord, I think you need picking up, Raven.
Huh?
You need help picking up the balls. Come here. You know what? Yeah, he's quite energetic. He's what you call farm dog. They're the ones who's gonna chase the sheep, lambs in the farm. Oh, it's pooping. Team position. He's tired. Kapoy ka, Brad? Ikapoy na. How's your run? Interview. The silence means he's tired.
One more.
We have all the ball. There's one ball behind us. Yeah, he's not running anymore. This field that we're standing on right now is a football field. Basically, it's a soccer field in America. There's also a football stadium over there, and this is where like kids play most of the time, and mostly like dog owners spend their time with their dogs here. Over there you can see there's like a cemetery with the church. So yeah. What the one done to yourself? here as well guys, may ano dito, reservoir ng tubig. But I don't know it's for like drinking or anything, but it's like a small lake, and we do sometimes see swans, ducks, everything here. So I'll show it to you. There we go. Yan. As you can see, you could see the BAE system over there, and you can see the town hall tower. Yan. You know, you could walk around here as well. Very nice place, especially in a sunny day. Yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of good places around here. So in the future videos, I'm gonna show you the lake as well. You know, so we're in the Lake District after all, so we're going there soon. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe and like.